All right, good morning, everybody. I'm going to let these last couple of people in here real quick, and then we will get started. Thank you to everybody for kind of being understanding for last week and not having class on Wednesday. Things came up, and long story short, I just needed to cancel class for Wednesday and Thursday. But I was still able to answer emails. So hopefully everybody that emailed me and needed things, hopefully you got an email back. If you didn't, please let me know. But I think I responded to everybody and I got everybody straightened up. So I'm also at a place right now where Wi-Fi is not as strong as my Wi-Fi at home. So please let me know if like video is freezing or if my audio is in and out. Just let me know in the chat box or unmute yourself if kind of it's different than normal. I'm happy to do something else. The only thing I really can do is if our connection really sucks, is I'll just upload, videos and things like that for the week. But it's looking like it's working pretty well. So just because I'm not sharing yet, I'm going to go ahead and let these last couple of late people in. And then I will share with you what you got for the week. So this week is our review and test. You could see it right there. All of the video tutorials are up there. The solutions manual is there as well. So make sure you're accessing past material as well, right? So you can always go into past units and look at those video tutorials. I think I emphasized it in each of these. You'll notice that I separated it by each lesson because some of them were super long, some of them were short. I don't know, I just decided to do it that way. That way, if you need to watch one specific video review, lesson review, you can do it that way. I tried to emphasize in the video though, if I'm going through 2.1 stuff and you're like, wow, Chapman, you really glossed over that. You just kind of went over it really quickly. Please go back to the 2.1 video and watch that back in the lesson because that's where I'll go a lot more in depth. I try to go in depth and still in these review videos, but man, it can really add up. You know what I mean? So a review video that I want to last maybe 15, 20 minutes ends up lasting like 40 or 45. And I just don't want you to have to watch that much stuff. I do my best to kind of review it, but not take a ton of time. As always, though, if you go back and you watch the 2.1 review video and you're still confused, just shoot me an email and I'm happy to explain things further, either over email or we can do it, jump on our Zoom session. Here's the test as well. You can see that is unlocked and ready for you. I've already noticed a discrepancy in the geometry test for this week. So the geometry test had a couple of questions that were messed up. So if you notice something that's weird, if you're seeing that, hey, you do number 10 and you're sure the answer is A, let me know, email me because I probably made a mistake and that helps me out a lot. So, but hopefully it'll be good to go. Cross your fingers. All right. I'll stop sharing. I don't have anybody that's late, so I'll go ahead and kind of hang out for a minute, well, a few seconds, and give people an opportunity to type in the chat box any questions. Of course, after we wrap up, I'll go ahead and hang back and answer questions for people or talk with people that do want to talk with me individually. But are there any questions? Feel free to unmute yourself or type in the chat box. All right, so this is our last week. The test is due on Sunday. You still got a week to do that. So this Sunday, the 20th. Yeah, good question, Alex. We still got one full week, so finish strong, right? It's really easy to kind of get in that complacent mood and you're like, man, I want to start Christmas break early. I really want to start, watching movies and laying around and sleeping in and blah, blah, blah. But you'll have 2 weeks to do that, right? So hopefully you can stay strong this week and knock this stuff out and then really enjoy your 2 weeks off. I'm excited for you guys. So I hope you have a great day. Yes, my beard is making a comeback, so a little bit. So I'm going to hang back and talk with people. Everybody else, you're more than welcome to take off and get started on your tests, and we will see you all Wednesday. Bye. Bye, Paula. Thanks, Liam. You too, man. Bye, Emily.
Mr. Chapman?
Yes, ma'am.
So that like grading thing that you had sent out, like an email a couple weeks ago, does that apply to this test this week?
Correct. Yeah, everything. Yep. Good question.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Awesome,
See you
Noe. Thanks.
Wednesday.
See ya. Bye. Thanks, Alex. You too, man.
Hey, Chapman,
Yes, Kyler.
can I talk to you about grades when everyone's gone?
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we'll wrap everybody else up. Rihanna, Sydney, Antonia, you guys got any questions for me? Looks like there's even more people in here still. Feel free to unmute yourself. Zach, you got a question, buddy? Zach, Antonia, you got any questions for me?
No.
Oh, okay. Bye, Antonia. Okay. All right.